You know what? You are so right, because when you cook, you have to use all your senses. So the sense of sight, the sense of smell, the sense of hear, the sense of taste, right? All those senses play a very important part in cooking. I have like little tasting spoons. I'm always tasting, I'm always looking, I'm always stirring, I'm listening. All those things come into play when you cook, okay? So it's a very important part. So we're going to have some fresh bean skewers, and we're going to make a nice chocolate sauce. Anybody here like chocolate? Yeah, me too. I'm a chocoholic. Anything with chocolate on it is good for me. Makes me happy, makes me smile. Yes? Yes.
I like strawberries on my chocolate.
Yeah, me too. I love that. Anything with chocolate I like, right? Chocolate in my coffee, chocolate on my fingers, all tastes good. Yeah. So, are you right-handed? Do you use this hand to write with? Good. Hold this and hold this. I want you to peel carrot. Now, why are we peeling the carrot, girls? Can you tell me?
Because they have dirty things.
That's right. It grows in the ground. Okay. You're next. Hold this over here. So the carrots grow in the ground, so it has dirt on them. And we don't like to eat too much dirt, do we?
Yeah.
We eat a little bit. Like if something falls down, what do? Eat it. Ah, you dust it off. Right? I bet you some things that fall on the ground, you've dusted it off. I know I have. You know, my mother said you have to eat a peck of dirt before you die. All right, so with celery, it's another vegetable that grows underground, but we're not going to peel this one. We can if we want to. We could peel it if we want to do that. To take some of the outside parts out, they're still stringy. But celery does taste good. It has a root that's in the ground. We cut part of that off, and then we rinse it off really good with the water because of dirt, right? We don't want to eat too much dirt. So when we rinse it off, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our celery. So to do that, here's what I'm going to do. Watch how I do this, okay? First of all, this is really long. I'm just going to cut it in half that way. And then I'm going to cut a strip like this. See? Like that. And then we're going to dice it. Now, the reason we dice it is that when we puree it in our machine, it'll puree and make a nice sauce. We're going to cook it first, okay? So you ready? Come on around. Okay. So, move a little closer here. And let me see. Hold that right hand. So when you hold the knife, you hold it like this, firm grip. Put the other hand on top, like a piece of paper. And then you just cut down like that. See? So we're cutting the vegetable so it would be easier to cook. Okay? Thank you. then we put the knife right here on the root and put it down. And then we peel off the onion. That's it. Peel it all the way off. Now, if you ever have any onion on your hand and it has a bad like smell, there's a sink over there. It has some stainless steel, and you wash it with soap and water, and it comes off. Okay? All right. Now, I'm going to cut the onion. Okay, so you see there's the root. And I'm going to make a line on the root like this. And then I'm going to cut down like this. So cut down. See? Okay. How'd that happen? Huh? Okay, let's see. How old are you? 7, 8, 7, 6. 6, 7, 8. All right, good. You guys cooking home? Sometimes. Yes. You do? You do? Good. Okay. Cooking at home. Why is it important? And also, if you know how to cook, then you're going to be happy. You do? I like noodles. I love noodles and noodles. Yeah. You did? And what did you put in them?